Wake up to the sounds of a more exotic dawn chorus at Kessingland. Our clubside is next door to the Africa Alive Wildlife Park. The animal attractions of the park are within walking distance of the campsite. Once there, you can see lions, lemurs, and a lot more besides. Kessingland Clubside is well placed to explore the many attractions of Suffolk, together with its coastline. A sand and shingle beach is just a mile from the campsite itself that's popular with families. Perhaps that's because seals can be spotted from here. A 10-minute car drive to the south will bring you to Benacre National Nature Reserve, which is home to more than 100 bird species, including marsh harrier and a variety of ducks. If you double that time in the car and head north, you'll arrive at the coastal town of the Lowestoft, complete with sandy beaches and seaside walks. If you want a spot of glamping, why not book into one of our stylish ReadyCamp safari tents? They're really quite appropriate given the neighbours next door.
Our Kessingland Clubside is open from the middle of March through to the beginning of October each year. Come and visit for wildlife, rest and relaxation.